Bob.
Hello everybody. Thank you for coming out. Happy 11/11. Thank you for supporting us. My name is Alec Brooks. I'll be here with you back. Always have some issues here. Alright. I want to dedicate my performance tonight to my little brother. He's sitting in the front row. I want to let him know how proud me and his...
That guitar mic, you don't have to be that close to it. You can leave yourself room for your hand.
Say that again? Say that again?
You don't have to be that close to that guitar mic. I'm just saying that you can leave yourself some room so you can come around.
I appreciate it. Anyway, I'm really proud of my little brother. He got a 31 on the ACT. You guys know how good that is? I'm going to start off here with a song I wrote. It's called Youngblood. When I'm out of ideas, I jump in the ocean. 'Cause I think clearly when I'm caught in commotion. If you're confused, come share my potion. Leave your glass half full, 'cause I feel like toasting. Listen, I like you, 'cause you seem basic. We won't last forever, and might as well face it. We got right now, so I'll waste it. This take it or leave it lifestyle, well fuck it, I'll take it. Young blood wants more, it's never satisfied. Making out in alleys, taking it inside. Sweet talking girls ain't got nothing to hide. She don't wanna go nowhere, but she still wants to ride. Young blood at the beach, 4th of July. Cheap beer and whiskey as time passes by. They let out a chant, then they let out a sigh, and drink it all in till conversation runs dry. Well, I'm so complacent when I should be ambitious, and it's superstitious to wait for my 3 wishes. Well, this world is vicious, and this kid thing is fleeting, and I can't help that wreck. Listen, I still get my heart beating. We're waking up in strange beds, it's so spontaneous. We know where we're going, how they call us aimless. And it's nice to be able to live your life in one box. And yeah, it's simple, but we like what we've got. This used to be fun, now it's just not. Did I used to like you? 'Cause now I forgot. Skip to the sirens, brush aside warnings. Wake up early and fight against the morning. If the sun never rises, the night never ends. If we always live skin deep, we can always be friends. When I'm out of ideas, I jump in the ocean. 'Cause I think clearly when I'm caught in commotion. You're boxing your buddies, you're acting immature. You're keeping your eyes red and your heart so pure. Well, my hair's messy and my shoes are covered in mud, but please, please, please let me keep my young blood. Please, please, please let me keep my young blood.
Got him, coach.
Alright, thanks. This next song is about the beer Natural Ice. You guys have heard of it? Alright, it's all me and my friends drank when we were growing up because it was all we could afford. And so I wrote a song about it. I called it Ode to My Nasty. And this is it.
Okay. Maybe I will.
It's getting kind of feedback. You hear like a squeaking in the audience. You hear that? No,
you're good.
Not too bad.
We got you.
We don't mind.
We're good. Okay.
We got you.
It's all a nice time.
What do you think?
Alright. So, you've had 4 beers, but you're not drunk yet. And you're remembering things that you wanted to forget. Well, I've got news for you. There's a more potent brew, content 5.9, and it won't cost you a dime. Ugly girls will look fine, and you'll be in your prime. Nasty has a higher get laid percentage. Yes, girls numb and wobbly like they come straight from the dentist. So get faded for a nice price. Yeah, take my advice, get you some natural ice. Yeah, get nasty. Cops harass me, I get nasty. When the girls drive past me, I get nasty. Comes to beer, don't even ask me, 'cause I get nasty. Nasty has to be healthy, natural is in the title. For a boy on a budget who needs a beer for survival. You can't afford to buy that extra sack because it's only $10 for a whole 30-pack. So kids, get yourself a bum. Go to Rite Aid with a handful of ones, and then you got it made. 'Cause 40 ounces are for gangsters, smeared off is for hoes. But that little box is just for me and my bros. So if your drink costs a lot, like $5 a shot, well, I'll take the pass. Put some nasty in my glass, let's get nasty. Cops harass me, I get nasty. Girls drive past me, I get nasty. And I gonna pitch 5, don't even ask me, 'cause I get nasty. Yeah, I get nasty.
these crazy spoken word poets, and it kind of inspired me, so I tried to start writing it myself a little bit. So this is gonna be the last thing I'm gonna do for you. This is a poem I wrote about a girl I once knew. The poem's called Marla. I know a girl with scarred wrists. I guess I can't say I know her that well. I see the scars and I give them a kiss. I'm dying to know the stories they tell. Let me in deeper. This missing piece princess, I'm trying to complete her. I bite her. I can taste she never lies to me. I lose our staring competition. Am I cowardly? She burns holes inside of me and she speaks quietly, but always displays her scars proudly. Her camera captures every moment. It clicks more than Jeff Gordon's odometer. She rents her thoughts, too scared to own them. She's the type of sick that can't be detected by ear peepers or thermometers. Her past collected one too many tolls, till her blue eyes simply faded gray. Too wild to be a pond, too isolated to be an ocean, so I just call her my bae. Be your own hero, I tell her, because I've already changed back into my Clark Kent clothes. I can save her from herself only so many times before I adopt a Vonnegut acceptance. So it goes. My inbox is full of texts, laced with vodka and Xanax, begging for company, begging for sex. She doesn't care in what order. As long as my kiss brings her bliss and makes her make believe momentarily she's misplaced her disorder. See, 2 wrongs don't make a right, but 3 lefts do. And I'm worried there might not be much left right with me when she's through. See, my wrist got scars too. Both of us are stuck. We sleep and reminisce over meaningless promises, sunsets, and fucks. I know a girl with scarred wrists, but what's a scar besides a cut that overstays its welcome? All snakes can bite and hiss, but some, if you let them, will inject their venom to leave you with a going away present. So even if the cut heals, you won't forget them. I told her, hiding doesn't help. Problems will find a way through that do not sign and disturb her. If she picks up those knife or downs those pills, it kills a little piece of everyone. It doesn't just hurt her. Don't get it twisted. Suicide is mass murder. See, maybe some of y'all forgot. Most cuts heal, but inner struggles, those tend to persist. And we've all got scars, be them visible or not. This girl's happened to be on her wrists. Thank you.